Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov admitted during an interview with Sky News Thursday that Russia has suffered significant losses of troops during its unprovoked invasion of Ukraine. It's a rare concession by Russia that the invasion has not gone according to plan. We have significant losses of troops, and it's a huge tragedy for us, Peskov said. Asked whether Russia is experiencing humiliation given the loss of troops, generals and equipment, Peskov pushed back. No, it's a wrong understanding of what's going on, he said. Western estimates of Russian casualties vary widely due to the difficulties of getting precise on-the-ground intelligence. On March 23, a NATO official told reporters that between 7,000 and 15,000 Russian soldiers are believed to have been killed in Ukraine until that date. Russia's defense ministry estimated on March 25 that 1,351 Russian soldiers had been killed over the course of the invasion, per Reuters. 2 days later, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said his country estimated that Russian troop losses amounted to more than 10,000. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.